Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Windows Defender options or settings are grayed out in your settings menu on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo nang i-type yung services. And then, click mo lang tong open. And then dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung remote procedure call service. So, kailangan natin mag-scroll down. And then, hanapin natin dito yung remote procedure. Ito siya. Okay? So, dalawa yung remote procedure call service dito. Ang pipiliin mo ay ito yung pinakauna, yung remote procedure call service manager for COM and the COM. Okay, so dito kailangan mo lang mag-double click and then pop up itong kanyang properties. So ang next step, and dito lang sa general and then dito lang sa startup type. So kailangan mo lang select dito yung automatic. And then next step ay click mo lang tong services status and then click mo lang tong start and then click mo lang to okay. Okay, so click mo lang ganyan. And then next step na hanapin natin dito ay kailangan lang i-locate yung Windows Management Instrumentation. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down ulit. So i-locate natin yung Windows Management Instrumentations. So, dalawa yung makikita mo dito Windows Management. So, i-select mo lang itong pinakauna. Ito yung Windows Management Instrumentation. So, kailangan mo na mag-double click. And then, pop up itong kanyang properties. So, ang next step, dito lang sa General and then dito lang sa Startup Type. So, i-click mo lang itong arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito yung Automatic. And then, next step, click mo lang itong dito sa Running, click mo lang itong Stop. And then, wait natin. And then, dito sa Service Status, click mo lang tong start, okay? And then next step, click mo lang tong apply and then click mo lang tong okay. Right, so ang next step, so close lang natin tong services. Dito lang ulit sa search menu and then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, so ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step na gagawin natin ay close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang sa start menu and then click mo lang to restart. Yan, so ganun lang po ka-simple on how to fix Windows Defender grayed out in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.